In manufacturing, downtime isn't just an operational issue, it's a profit issue. And yet, so many leaders still rely on data scattered across CMMS, MES, EAM, and even old spreadsheets. The result? Data chaos. And every minute of downtime that goes unexplained or unaddressed hits your bottom line hard. For one North American multi-plant manufacturer, this chaos meant slow reporting, inconsistent downtime definitions, and teams spending hours chasing numbers instead of fixing the problems that really matter. I've seen it firsthand. Frustrated teams juggling spreadsheets, overflowing IT ticket queues, and KPI dashboards nobody trusts. It's a maze, and it holds your teams and your profits back. That's where Ray Business Technologies comes in. We helped this manufacturer transform their data landscape, moving from fragmented silos to a single unified analytics foundation built on Microsoft Fabric. Now, leaders can simply ask questions, like "Show me downtime trends," and get instant, decision-ready answers. No more waiting on IT, no more guesswork. Just clear, reliable insights, right when they're needed most. And the ROI? It's real, and it's fast. Reporting time dropped by 95%, from 6 hours to less than a minute. Unplanned stops reduced by 20%. Overtime costs fell by up to 15%. And BI tickets? Down by as much as 80%. That's not just better reporting, it's operational transformation. Teams are happier, the floor runs smoother, and leadership has the confidence to drive real change. With clean data, governed metrics, and conversational analytics, this manufacturer now operates a true continuous improvement loop. And they're on a clear, accelerated path to Industry 4.0. Ready to unlock ROI from your manufacturing data chaos? Turn manufacturing data into ROI in just 90 days with Ray Business Technologies, your